Good day everyone. Ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang issuance of share capital. Mabilis lang to, basic lang ang examples natin. So let's start. Okay, so sa ating example number 1, a corporation received cash for 10,000 ordinary shares at 250 pesos per share. Ang par value niya ay 200. So ang cash is the amount na na-receive natin. So, 250 times 10,000 is 2,500,000. Then, ordinary, 2,500,000. Then, ordinary share capital is 2 million kasi nagbe-base tayo sa par. Okay? Then, share premium is the difference, 500,000, or selling price minus par value is equal to 50 times 10,000 shares. Okay? So, yun yung 500,000 din. Okay? So, sa ating example number 2, issued 20,000 ordinary shares at 200 par value for land with fair market value of 6 million. So, binigay ang fair market value nung property na marireceive natin. So, yun ang gagamitin natin sa kanya. Land, debit land, 6 million. Then, ordinary share capital pa rin is 4 million. So, lagi tayong sa par value magbe-base. Then, share premium, which is the difference, 2 million siya. So, ang priority natin, kapag meron tayong marireceive na property or service rendered is fair value muna ng property na yon. Then, kung wala yun, fair value ng share capital. Kasi ang share capital natin ay meron din namang fair value kapag binibenta siya sa market. Okay? So, next na tayo. So, our next example is subscription. So, sa subscription, hindi siya fully paid. So, dito may down payment tayo. So, meron contract na bibilhin ng investor yung shares on installment. Then, wala pang certificate pag hindi pa fully paid. So, di ba ang shares? Sabi doon sa aking nakaraang video, ang shares ay papel. Papel lang na nasi-certify sa'yo na meron kang pagmamayari doon sa isang corporation. So, hindi pa i-issue yun hanggat hindi fully paid yung stocks mo, yung shares mo. Okay, so for our example, receive na subscription for 5,000 shares, 200 par value ordinary shares at 220 per share with 50% down payment. So, 50% lang yung down payment niya. After some time, babayaran din niya yung iba. So, upon subscription, ano ang ating entry? Okay, so upon subscription, ang entry natin is the amount, debit the amount na na-receive natin, 50%, which is the 550,000. So, paano natin na-compute yung 550,000? Una muna, kukumpute natin yung selling price, 220 times 5,000 shares. 220 times 5,000 shares is 1,100,000. Then, 50% nun is 550,000. Then, the remaining is still receivable. Subscription receivable ang tawag doon. 550,000 ang entry. Okay? Tapos, imbis na ordinary share kagad ang entry natin, subscribe pa lang. Subscribe share capital. Subscribe ordinary share capital. 1 million. Then, share premium is the difference, which is 100,000, or makukomplete natin siya sa pagmaminus. 220 minus 200 is 20 pesos times 5,000 is 100,000 pesos. So, ayun siya. Okay? Paano naman kapag fully paid na? Anong gagawin natin? Okay, next. Upon full payment ay ang entry lang natin doon ay yung cash na marireceive natin, 550,000 as payment. Then, credit na natin yung receivable natin kanina, 550,000. Okay? Then, since i-issue na natin yung share capital, yun ang i-credit natin. I-debit na natin yung subscribe. So, ordinary share capital na siya. 1 million pa din at par value. Okay?